Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see what is Azure Notebook. What is Azure Notebooks is a free service for anyone to develop and run code in their browser using Jupyter. Jupyter is an open source project that enables combining Markdown prose, executable code, and graphics onto a single canvas. Azure Notebooks currently supports Python 2, Python 3, R and F hash and their popular packages. For example, for Python, the Anaconda distro is pre-installed. All your code and data is persisted. Usage scenarios. You want to learn a new programming language, you can learn using Azure Notebook. You want to learn data science, you want to teach a course to other students, you want to give a webinar online or at a conference without spending time on the installation, you can do that with Azure Notebook. Can enable GitHub users to directly load and run notebooks by creating a GitHub launch batch. You can give PowerPoint like slideshows where code is in slides is executable. You also get terminal shell access to your Linux environment, which you can use for Git, file, etc. operations. But we do have some current service limitations. The service is free, but there are network limitations to prevent abuse. They have whitelisted lots of data sources and services and regularly add more per user request. There is a 4 gig memory limit per user and a 1 gig data limit as of now. And if you want to have a look of what exactly Notebook is, you go to https://notebooks.azure.com. I don't have any projects. I'm not signed in. Let's see if it allows me to sign in my Microsoft ID. Clone in. Let me just sign in here. Takes a few minutes. Got the sign in screen. You have to log in with your Azure ID on which you have subscription. I have v-2azure@live.com. I will type in my password, not save it. Thank you for updating your terms, Microsoft. So it shows my login ID at the top right corner. This is my account. If I want to sign out, these are my notebooks. Let's click on preview button. Microsoft Azure Notebooks. My projects, I do not have any projects. I want to upload my GitHub repository in here if I have one, right? So if you have a repository in GitHub, you have a code in your GitHub repo, you can upload it here. You can make a connection here. If you want to make a new project, memorable name would be v-2azure project 1. I do not want to make this project public, private. Initialize this project with there's a readme file in every package. So it says private projects cannot be viewed by other users. Public projects can be viewed by anyone who has the URL. Public projects will also be listed in your profile. Sharing, create. Project ID is a custom ID specific to your project. Okay. It is not empty. I think there is a problem with the console. Let me exit out of it and do it again. Creating project. ASAR. Do not want to make this public. I click on create. Let's see how it goes. Okay, finally the project is created. It is status is stopped. If you run it, you will get a tree. There's nothing in here. It's a by default readme.md file because we created one. And you want to upload a code here, you can do it. And if you want to have a new, let's say you want to do a Python 3.6, create a Jupyter notebook, and then you can add in your code here. right? You can run it here. So it's in, let's say, like you install PyCharm, an IDE, integrated development environment. It's a kind of integrated development environment also on the cloud side, right? And if you will go back, see you run extension file untitled, you can rename it, test, rename it, and come here, its extension. You don't have anything running, there are no terminals running. You can shut down it as well, so let me just shut down it. So this is in a nutshell what Azure Notebook is. I'm gonna come with more interesting videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video, and if you have any feedback, comment below. Thank you, have a great day. Bye bye.